abarukujwekera abantu abinovu mugaha mibiri yaba barukika 330 ku rugomo rurenje bw'izoba hamwe n'amatemba gihanga bamazire biri kuma mu kutendekwe by'ubwebembeza hishtenjero rya Kyankwanzi National Leadership Training Institute okutebekanisiibwa amakago bwa presidenti. Omubutumwa bwa President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwahebwa enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja omukukingaho omushomogu yabagambira gavumenti baterire hembera nungi zokore byentunguka.
Uganda. It was a great mistake for the past regimes to marginalize and exclude significant portions of the population. For example, women, youth, the disabled, the people with disabilities, etc., from the development agenda of this country.
Omubutumwa bwa President Museveni hona yaraganisa ku gavumenti erukuza kugumizamu erukurinda obugabe bw'abantu.
Under the leadership of Abarema, there have been deliberate efforts to ensure that previously marginalized groups like the women, the youth, persons with disabilities, etc., are accorded equal treatment before the law.
The Constitution of Uganda, 1995, Objective 16, recognizes the rights of persons with disabilities to respect and human dignity. That the vision for Uganda 2040 is a transformed Ugandan society from a peasant to a modern and prosperous country.
Omuhwezi wa director wa Nali Kano Henry Selugo nagirango abatendekirwe bahirwa obukugu bwona oburabahwere kora kurunjombi obwebembezi.
The training program is to impart ideological clarity, patriotism among the participants and to educate them on how to sustain the gains of the people's revolution, to enhance the leadership ability of the leaders and also introduce them to some military skills.
Abahona bahingwize President Museveni kugaruka kwesimbaho omwaka gw'2026.
The members and participants of this house mooted a motion to support His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni to stand as a president come 2026.
President Museveni should remain on Obuyenza 2026. Let him come. Then tomorrow wagizi wonabona Owensiyon.
Really, God bless us with a right president.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.